Natural Evolution is a certified sustainable salon partnered with Green Circle, the beauty industry's movement for positive green change. This means that 85 to 95% of our waste is recycled or repurposed, kept out of landfills and waterways. Your hair is used in booms to clean up chemical spills in our streams and ocean shores. Hundreds of thousands of pounds of liquid color waste has been diverted from our waterways by this collective green effort. By choosing sustainable products, we act with the understanding that we are responsible for each other and future generations. Our goal is to make a harmonious connection between our clients, the salon, and the environment. This is the very finest in hair artistry created by conscientious stylists. Natural Evolution Hair Salon. Sustainable beauty at its best.